Welcome back to the channel. I want to look at today how to start affiliate marketing with Impact Radius. Impact Radius is one of the top affiliate marketing network that you can use to actually promote a lot of products. So Impact Radius is a marketplace where you find or affiliate programs that you can join to actually make money. So today I'm going to be taking you step by step on how you can start affiliate marketing with Impact Radius. Now, the focus will be on the platform, right? But before that time, I need to let you know that for you to be successful in affiliate marketing, right, there are a few things you need to do, which I've talked about in other videos, but let me still recap again. Number one is that you need to choose a niche, choose an area where you want to, offer value to your audience, because affiliate marketing is successful when you are offering value to an audience. Of course, the audience is the one to, buy before you make money. So you choose a niche, right, an area. Then secondly, you get knowledge around that niche. It's possible you choose an area where you are not really knowledgeable, but the formula I normally recommend is that when you're choosing a niche, you need to choose an area where you are passionate. All right. Yes, passion is very important because, before the money comes, you have to stay put, and it is something you're passionate about. I can actually stay long even when there's no money. So you need to choose an area where you have passion, where you have love, even if you don't have knowledge around that area. All right. But if you do have knowledge around that area, it makes it simpler. Okay. Number two is that you need to get knowledge around this area. This is your passion area, in case you don't already have knowledge. And even if you have knowledge, you can upgrade yourself to get more knowledge around the area. All right. Number three is you need to determine what kind of value do you want to offer to your audience, right? Value in terms of the kind of content you want to create. Is it blog, you want to write articles, or you want to do podcasts, or you want to do video on YouTube, or or social media. So decide the kind of value you want to offer, and of course the platform. Which platform are you going to be using? For instance, you're watching this on YouTube, right? Others use Instagram, some people others use a website, blog, articles. So decide on the platform. And of course, after you do that, the next thing is to build that platform. And building the platform, the best way to do it is, let's say you have decided to build a blog, right? You want to write articles, for instance. Now you can use WordPress. And if you check the description of this video, you'll see links to, videos and tools you can use to build your WordPress. Like, for instance, your hosting. You can buy your hosting, your domain, and all that. So I have links on all those tools which you can leverage on to build your plan. I have videos on how you can build your WordPress website, build a blog from scratch for affiliate marketing. Okay, that being said, once you build your platform, the next thing is to, start creating content, right? Start creating quality content that is valuable to your audience. That is when you now need to register on an affiliate marketing platform. You choose a program. So here is Impact Radius. So the first thing you need to do is to create an account. And how do you do that? You can do that simply by clicking on this. Because if you check here, you can't see any sign up. But when you click on sign in, right, this dashboard will open, which will allow you to sign in if you have an account, or you sign up, right? You sign up, for instance, no account, sign up as a partner, brand, or agent. So you are signing up as a partner. As an affiliate marketer, you are a partner, all right? So you're going to sign up as a partner, all right? So I already have an account. I'll quickly log in, then we'll see inside the platform where I will take you, to see the various aspects of the platform and how you can actually go get a program to promote. Okay, so I'll sign in now. Okay, so I've signed in into my account, and I'm going to take you through the various aspects of the platform. Then we'll also see how to get a product to promote. So the first thing is that when you sign in, you're going to see that you have a home, you have brands, you have reports, you have content, you have products, all right? Then you have your balance, okay? So here you will see, your latest activity for the day, right? This is in the last, maybe the last 24 hours to show you your clicks, your action, your payout, and all that. And of course, your today's earning, the pending, if you have any pending, that's the one you have earned, but it has not been paid to you. Then balance is what has been paid to you, all right? Now, so we'll go to brands. If you go to brands, you will see find brands. You see my brands, then you see invites, you see proposals. So find brands means you are looking for brand to promote. My brands is the one you're already promoting. Invites are those who have invited you to promote their brands, and proposals, those who have sent you proposals. So the beauty, one of the beauty of Impact Radius is that once you are approved and you get to the platform, you'll be seeing recommended programs. You can see brands to work with instantly. All these brands, if I click on join, is instant approval. I don't need to do anything because they already recommended me for promotion. Then you can also find brand to promote, so you can apply. So they give you recommendations based on the kind of things you have been promoting. All right. Then here is report. So report has your performance by brand, performance by day, action listing, save report, schedule report, and all reports. All right. So if you want to check performance brand, it's going to show you results based on the brands you promote and how much you have earned. Then you have your content, catalogs, promo codes, requests, vanity links, deals, resources, and all that. Now, you will see that here, okay, then the products. So product, find brands, my brand stores, all right? So let's take it one after the other. So here you will see your link. Promote any brand with a link. If you open here, you're going to see product that I'm already promoting, product that have approved me for promotion. You can see there's several of them that have approved me that I'm currently promoting. Then if you come to this, you will see your balance, your pending, your earning history, your invoice, and pending actions. Okay, so but where we are most interested is how do I find product to promote? All right, that's the most important thing. So what you do, you come to brands, you go to find brands. So find brands will take you to the marketplace where you can now get product to promote. So when you come to the marketplace, you will see that there are categories, right? Accessories and peripherals, accessories and services, accommodations. You see all kind of categories, right? All kind of categories. So depending on your niche, I talked about choosing a niche. So this is where that your niche comes to play, right? Because now it is based on your niche that you're going to look for products, okay? So depending on the niche you have chosen, you can now find product around that area, okay? Let's say, for instance, you have chosen niche around maybe something that has to do with education and learning. If you click on this, you see that you're going to see something on learning, right? These are learning affiliate programs, right? You can even see the popular Coursera. Look at Coursera here, right? Coursera is here. Look at Skillshare, right? Look at Allison. These are popular learning applications that you can apply to, right? This is under learning. This is Teachable. All these are popular. You know them, so they are not. I mean, they are not. They are not small brands. Teachable, right? You see, all these are under learning. Varsity Tutors. So now let's look at one. Okay, let's say we look at Skillshare, for instance. So when you click on Skillshare, you're going to see the detail. So they'll give you all the detail you need to do. So the earning is 40%, right? And the cookie period is 30 days. Meaning that if somebody clicks on your link, it has 30 days to buy. Within 30 days, that will be attributed to you. Now, this Skillshare is US. So these are the details. Then as a partner in our Skillshare affiliate program, we work with you to promote our offer through messaging, brand assets, and classes that will connect best with your audience. We offer frequent updates and incentives for you to maximize earning. preferred business models, loyalty reward, network, this coupon, creator, content review. So you may come in as a creator, all right? So this is how it works. 30-day earning per click is $2.91. So the earning is huge, right? Look at their funding. Funding is, they fund the platform through Impact Radius. So what is saying that they have 94% fund, so they have enough money to pay their affiliates. That's what this means, right? So funding status, 94%, meaning that if you earn money, you are 94% sure of getting paid. Very, very important. Acceptance, 43%. Okay. Response, 100%. So this is a good program to promote. So once you find a program that you like, what do? You simply click on apply. So apply, you will see the earning, and they give you all the detail. Then here, they will say, tell Skillshare why you want to work on this campaign, right? So this is where you now briefly tell the brand why you want to work with them, how you intend to promote them, and any other details you wish to share, right? So I will simply share, I love the products, right? And my audience will love the products too. I intend to promote Skillshare through my websites and social media handles. That's all. Just nothing, just to give them some information about why you want to promote the product. So I'll just click apply. So once I click on apply, application will be pending, right? They will review the application. And after reviewing my application, because already Impact Radius has some information about me as an account, right? They have my website, they have other brands that I'm promoting and all that. All this will help the approval process. But of course, the first one may be difficult, but not really difficult. That's why we recommend that you build a platform, especially your website first. It's not compulsory, but it's necessary, all right? It's necessary for you to build it so that your approval process can be faster. So what do? You build a simple blog, a simple website, and it's very easy. I have a lot of video to buy your hosting, to buy your domain. I have links for Namecheap you can use to buy your hosting and domain, and you can start building. I have video on building a blog, building a website for affiliate marketing. It's very simple. After building, you can use AI, ChatGPT, to populate the website with content. So there's nothing. This thing can be done within a day. You can actually build this website within a day, all right? Or maximum, because you're just starting, maybe 1 week, you are done building your affiliate marketing website. And once you have this website up and you optimize it, right, the next thing is to start applying, right? And you can apply in 2 ways. Either you are coming to Impact Direct to apply, or you are applying through the product, through the company themselves. Let's say, for instance, my first application was through Namecheap, right? I wanted to promote Namecheap product because I use them and my students use them. So I went to Namecheap. Namecheap now directed me to either I use Impact, or I use ClickBank, or I use CJ. I choose Impact. And from there, I got approval. From there, when I got into Impact, I was able to now sign up for other, affiliate marketing programs. Okay, so these are the 2 ways you can do it. I recommend that you, apply through through a program like Namecheap, right? So what you need to do is build your website first, right? Then you can now apply for, Namecheap, promoting Namecheap products. Through that place, you can get approval, right? So, but both of them work. I'm just telling you that I use the other one and it works faster. For me, this other one also works. So you can use any of them. So this is the platform. So this is simply how you can choose a product and start promoting. Remember, it is not about getting the link. It is about, um, building audience through value.